Number 1. 1972 Ford F-250, $6,000, Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1972 Ford F-250 3/4-ton long bed is an excellent candidate for restoration or daily driving. Powered by a robust 390 V8 engine paired with a two-wheel drive setup, it's reported to be in good running condition, regularly driven, and ready to hit the road. The truck includes both a fifth-wheel tailgate and a regular tailgate, with the original toolbox lock still operational. While the body and frame are straight, there's some minor wear, rust on the edges, and corners consistent with age. The seller notes the vehicle's value as $8,500 based on Hagerty and Kelly Blue Book, making the $6,000 asking price appealing. Studded snow tires are currently installed, adding practicality for colder climates. Two, 1976 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $4,500, Fairfield, Montana. This 1976 Ford F-250 Camper Special is an iconic workhorse featuring a 390 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck remains in good condition, ideal for someone seeking a reliable classic pickup. Known for its durability and capacity, the Camper Special model was built with towing and heavy-duty tasks in mind. While specific maintenance details aren't provided, the price reflects its potential as a vintage utility truck. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, $7,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe is a standout classic truck with original parts and paint. It runs and drives well, showcasing its well-maintained mechanicals. With a manual transmission and a yellow exterior, this third-generation Chevy pickup is ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate originality. Priced at $7,000 or best offer, it offers room for negotiation while delivering value for those looking for a classic American pickup. Four, 1971 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $9,000, Fresno, California. This 1971 Ford F-250 Camper Special is a well-preserved classic featuring a 390 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With only 83,500 miles, it includes numerous recent upgrades such as a new fuel pump, distributor, wires, starter, Holley performance carburetor, and power steering pump. The truck is currently on non-operational status but is ready for restoration. It includes original rims, tires, hubcaps, and spare parts like windshield gaskets and heater controls. Its clean title and excellent condition make the $9,000 price reasonable. Number 5. 1970 GMC 4x4 truck, $2,900, Menifee, California. This 1970 GMC 4x4 long bed pickup is a project truck priced at an affordable $2,900. It fires up but is missing key components like drive shafts. Sold as is with no title and a bill of sale only, it's ideal for parts or restoration. With its half-ton capacity and rugged potential, this classic truck could be brought back to life by a dedicated enthusiast. Najdar 6, 1975 GMC K20 3-ton on $1,800, Moses Lake, Washington. A solid project, this 1975 GMC K20 is priced at $1,800 and includes a 350 small block engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and NP203 transfer case. The truck features 410 gear ratios, a 14-bolt full-float rear axle, and a Dana front axle. While the engine was rebuilt years ago, it hasn't run in some time and has electrical issues. Despite cracked glass and non-original seats, the body has minimal rust, making it a viable restoration project. Seven, 1965 Chevrolet C10, $6,500, Sacramento, California. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup is a charming classic with a 283 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual column shifter. Upgraded features include a new muffler, tires, and power brakes, along with heavy-duty springs. The seller emphasizes its excellent running condition and a rare overdrive feature. While priced firm at $6,500, this truck is smog-exempt and ready for its next owner. Eight, 1962 Chevrolet C20, $6,800, Danville, California. An all-original 1962 Chevrolet C20 long bed pickup. This truck is a rust-free survivor with beautiful patina. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it has been owned by the same family for over 5 decades. With an optional replacement fender and a second set of wheels included, this $6,800 classic is a fantastic choice for collectors seeking originality.
Nine.
1964 Ford F100, $3,000, Mira Mesa, California. This 1964 Ford F100 long bed truck, equipped with a 262 straight-six engine and a manual floor shifter, offers an affordable entry into classic trucks. While it runs rough and has steering play, it was previously a daily driver. Fully registered and priced at $3,000, it's a budget-friendly choice for someone ready to invest in its mechanical improvement. 10. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino, $8,500, Tacoma, Washington. This 1966 Chevrolet El Camino combines utility and style with a 350 V8 engine and turbo 350 automatic transmission. Sporting American racing wheels with new Firestone tires, it's a solid driver in a Lehman's blue finish. Originally Tropic Turquoise metallic, the paint shows its age but maintains its charm. With minor rust in a few areas, this El Camino is a great buy at $8,500 for someone seeking a classic ready to enjoy. (11) 1963 Chevrolet C10, $9,500, Redmond, Washington. Professionally lowered and featuring US mag wheels with new Nitto tires, this 1963 Chevrolet C10 offers a stylish and functional ride. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed floor shifter, it's equipped with new brakes, a new battery, and other upgrades. The truck runs flawlessly and is priced at $9,500, reflecting its excellent condition and attention to detail.